Hi there, today we're going to walk through the steps on how to change your deal name when mapping to a CRM. So in this example, we're going to be talking about our HubSpot integration. With our HubSpot integration, automatically our integration will map the lead company name as the deal name. If you'd like to have this changed, there are a couple of ways that you can do it. Number one, if you already hard-coded fields to automatically be mapped, then that can already be changed without the need of this specific step. If you're looking for a custom field to be mapped, for example, you would like the partner name or the customer name to be mapped, you would actually have to come here. We are in the lead sub-tab under accounts and settings, and we are editing a lead field. If your lead fields have not yet been added, then you can add it with the plus sign here. Once you've created the lead field, there are a couple of different options that you can do. For the visibility, if you only want it to be something your team can see, then you're going to mark it as internal only. This means that your partners are not going to see this specific field, especially if it's something that, they already have the information in. So they've already submitted the lead customer name. So this is something repetitive you may not want them to see. Or if it's something that you do want your partners to see and you want to make sure that only a specific group of partners, then you can head and select partner groups. In this example, we're going to mark it as internal only. This means that only my team will actually have access to this specific field. We're gonna go ahead and hit our save button and make sure that all of this does get saved. Now that we've saved this, we're going to go to our integrations tab and we're going to open our HubSpot settings to configure. When we're going to configure, we're going to look for the deal object. The deal object is where we're going to find the option for deal name. Here we can see deal name, so we're going to select it. And on deal field is deal name. But if we wanted to, we could also name it a different thing. So here we have all of our fields from our lead registration form. We've got a couple of custom ones which we created or already had. And so this is where you can actually change this up. So if I wanted to, in my example, I'm going to select my customer field that I created as an internal one. We're going to press save. And now that we've saved this and this HubSpot integration has been successfully updated, we're going to go to our leads tab. And I already have a couple of pending leads, but I didn't have that field previously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit and I'm going to type in here this lead company name because that is my customer. Again, this is going to be related to your specific field. This field is internal, so as an admin, I can see it, but as a partner, they would not see this. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. Now I've got my customer. I'm going to approve and map this to HubSpot. And when we map to HubSpot, our deal name should show up as the Vortex Dynamics, which is the customer we've selected here. We're going to click on the HubSpot deep link. And as you can see, Vortex Dynamics is my customer name that I selected and did become my deal name because that is the way that I mapped it. And that's how you map or update the deal name for our HubSpot integration. If you have any questions, please let us know. Bye now.